Hello, this is Olivia. Welcome to my cooking vlog. Do I know, cooking vlog. Do I know what I'm doing? Absolutely not. Alright, so here's my chicken. It's boneless, skinless breast. That's red meat, I don't even know what that means. Yo, this chicken's thick though. This is my chicken piece. This is really thick. I don't even know how, like what parts are bad. Like where's the fat? I don't know. I think, okay, well, just like these weird white pieces I'm gonna cut off because I'm assuming it might be fat. I don't know. What is this? Can you see my chicken? This is my chicken piece. This is thick chicken now, so maybe I can cut it in half and then make like 2 pieces of chicken. This is not how you cut meat. Do not. No, I can't do that. That looks really bad. I should have cut it in half. Is this bad? Is this part bad? I don't know. I'm gonna cut some of it off. Have you ever tasted raw chicken? Like, I know you can get salmonella, so I don't want to taste it, but like, I just wonder what it tastes like, you know? My first time cooking chicken ever. I guess you learn as you go. I don't know. Start somewhere, right? Okay. This is hard. Okay, whatever. So this is my chicken. And then it says I'm supposed to like put this on. So this is the mixture that's going on the chicken that I'm making in the next clip. A half a teaspoon of cumin. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, so put some cumin in this bowl. Cumin. And then paprika. Oh, paprika. That's interesting. That's probably not paprika. I feel like I'm not a paprika guy. I don't know. I don't even know what it tastes like. And then garlic. So if this doesn't taste good, I'm gonna be upset. But technically I did taste it. Brown sugar. I don't know the difference between dark brown sugar and light brown sugar. I don't know that came in. But here's the rest of the. Okay. So now we take brown sugar. Don't know if it's supposed to be light or dark. I just got light. I don't know. Just a tablespoon? It seems wrong. I don't know. So once you have your garlic, cumin, paprika, and brown sugar in it, I guess it's chicken time. So yeah. It says rub my chicken with it. But I was reading something, so I should use olive oil. We'll only have canola oil, so this is what we're going with. Drizzle your chicken with it. So that's what I'm gonna drizzle my chicken. And so I just put olive oil or canola oil on my chicken. I forgot to show it because I'm dumb, but alright, so I'm gonna mix this up in my hand, I guess. I don't know. And just put some on. Rub my chicken. I said to rub your chicken. Rub. This chicken thick. That's what it looks like. And then I just want to put salt and pepper on it too. Right, use this. You're putting things, you know. Why do I take this off?
20 minutes later.
Oh, okay. I'll do pepper too. Alright. Put it in. It's mine. Delicious. So turn this on medium high. I'm gonna put some canola oil in it. That seems like a good amount, right? Just, you know. Alright. So here's my chicken. It's not really hot yet. Maybe I should have waited. But it's already in it now, so no turning back. So I'll just leave it. I'll come back. Alright, so my chicken be sizzling. I turned on the fan. Yeah. I guess this is how it's supposed to happen. I don't know. So I'm gonna keep it like this for like 5 minutes, and I'm gonna switch it to the other side. But if you want to just look, let's just see how it's. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. So update, it's like really sizzling, so I can't really like flip it over without getting hit, you know? So I'm gonna like do it from a distance. Oh, that's not good. My chicken burnt. It's burnt, yo. It's real burnt. I'm gonna show you. See that? That's not what it's supposed to look like. I done messed up, but I'll just cut it off. It's fine. Alright, friends, making this chicken turned out terribly wrong. Ooh, what's that light? I have a crack in my camera. So, alright, so this is like the side that's not that bad. No, it's pretty bad, but it's not that bad. But like, it's pretty bad. And then, but the other side's worse. Like, it's like fully burnt. Like, I don't know what I did wrong, but I feel like I'm gonna cut into it and it's literally gonna be raw. This was correct. It is very raw in the middle. So I think I'm gonna put some of the rub on like these sides, and then maybe just put it back, and then hopefully it's not as long so I don't completely burn it. Let's see. There's like oil everywhere on the ground, and my chicken's kind of seasoned again. We're gonna try this again, but maybe like a lower setting. So like maybe just like here. Dude, that's so black. That's so bad. This side's good. This side is really bad. Right, so I think my chicken is cooked. Here, oh, here's the moment of truth. I mean, I think it's cooked. But I don't understand how it's raw in the middle. I think this one's good though, because it's so thin. Or thinner than the other one. Alright, so this didn't work out. I think I'm just gonna cube it up and then just put it back on and hope for the best. It smells good though. Like, I can say that. Dude, this is so raw. I don't understand. You see this? Like in the middle, it's just raw. I will taste this little crunchy though on this other plate. It's actually probably good. It's just not cooked. Well, that piece was, but alright. Let's go again. This is the chicken now. As you can see, it is raw. Some of it. Like that piece is cooked, but this piece is definitely raw. I feel like you can turn it up a little bit more. Look how greasy the stove is now. Even the floor. I don't know how people do it. I just don't. So it's not looking bad. These pieces were kind of dark, but like it's not looking that bad anymore. Like that looks cooked, right? These are looking pretty cooked. I may have mastered the art of chicken. This one seems still pretty thick. I don't know. I can't tell. But maybe I'll just keep them mixing around a little bit. Give it a little toss, like maybe like a, not a toss, but maybe move it around, keeping it moving. This being my first time actually cooking, other than like making pasta, it's not bad. I also forgot to document this, but I made some rice, but it's pretty easy because it's just instant rice. And just that, chicken, and then rice. And I think my rice is ready. So, yeah. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it was a struggle making it, but it ended up pretty good.